Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to SG Dr. Wellness. Today, in our Healthier Hawker Food edition, we will be diving into the world of one of Singapore's most beloved dishes, Hokkien Prawn Mee. Yes, we all know that it can be one of the most calorie-dense hawker dishes out there, but guess what? We have got some hacks to make this delectable treat a healthier option for you. Before we begin, give us all your love and support by smashing the like and subscribe button now. Hokkien Prawn Mee, a dish that's garnered fame through countless food bloggers singing its praises and the hawkers showcasing their culinary prowess all over Singapore. But is it as unhealthy as it may seem? Well, compared to other local favorites like Char, Teow and seafood fried rice, Hokkien Prawn Mee actually holds its own in terms of nutrition. Let's break down the numbers for a plate of Hokkien Fried Noodles. In terms of energy or carbohydrates, it's about 522 kilocalories, protein 18 grams, total fat 19 grams, cholesterol 133 mg, and sodium levels at 1423 mg. As you can see, while it's not the lightest dish, it's not a nutritional disaster either. Now, let's dive into how you can enjoy Hokkien Prawn Mee without the guilt. Cut the sodium and the fat. Hokkien Prawn Mee tends to be a bit on the salty side, with a whopping 1423 mg of sodium per serving. To slash some of that salt, go easy on the chili paste and consider avoiding slurping down the thick gravy. Fat content is another concern, so think about moderating or even skipping the pork lard and trim off any fatty bits from the meat when savouring the dish. Number 2, cut down on calories. Yellow noodles are a calorie culprit here. So if you can, ask for more thick vermicelli noodles and fewer yellow ones. And remember, this dish should be treated as a treat and not a daily habit. Enjoy it maybe once a week. Number 3, sides can actually make it healthier. Boost your protein profile by requesting for more eggs and adding extra spring onions for a burst of flavor. Also, you can consider pairing your Hokkien Mee with whole fruits or lightly stir-fried vegetables on the side to increase fiber intake and create an overall balanced meal. And of course, don't forget to skip the sugary drinks. Opt for plain water or non-sugared green tea or oolong tea to wash it down. In conclusion, folks, Hokkien Prawn Mee can be a delightful and healthier option when enjoyed mindfully. It's all about making smart choices and balancing it with nutritious sides. Alright, if you have found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more mouth-watering insights into your favorite hawker dishes. Until the next time, stay healthy and happy eating.